Dozier Corp projects free cash flows for the next 3 years, after which the free cash flow is expected to grow at a constant rate of 7% with a WACC of 13%. So in this question, we want to find out what is the horizon value at year 3. What is the current value of operations for Dozier? And suppose that there are 10 million in marketable securities, which is an asset, and 10 million in debt, and 10 million shares. What is the intrinsic value per share, or price per share, for that matter? So to make this easy, let's just copy and paste this down so we can have a little bit more room to work. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what is the horizon value beyond year 3. So that's equal to this $40 times 1 plus G, and G is 7%, divided by R minus G, which is 13 minus 0.07. So now what we want to do is sum all these cash flows, because what happens is in year 3 we're getting $40 plus the value beyond year 3 is 713, but we have to discount it back at year 3. Next, what we need to do is discount our cash flows. And we do that by taking each of these cash flows, dividing by 1 plus the WACC, to the power of the respective time period. Next, we need to sum these cash flows, so the total value. So the total value of operations for Dozier is 527.8931. The horizon value at year 3 is 713.33. If we wanted to discount it, we would have to divide this amount by 1 plus WACC to the power of 3. So the discounted horizon value is 494, but at year 3 it's 713. So the value of Dozier is 527 million and fraction. So that's part B. Part C, suppose that Dozier has 10 million in marketable securities, so is equal to this amount plus 10 million, because remember these values right here are in millions, and we can see it from right here and right here, free cash flow millions, and debt in 100 million, and 10 million shares of stock. What is the intrinsic price per share? So we have a value of operations of 527 plus an asset of 10 million minus debt, so that's the remaining amount of equity. Then we need to divide it by 10 million shares. Well, since this is free cash flow in millions, we will divide that amount, get a price per share. So Dozier should sell for $43.79 per share.